Hi guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, fashion and a lifestyle, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Wednesday. I'm always on the hunt for a perfect bag. If you are like me, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. A couple of weeks ago, we went to Edinburgh. And of course, I didn't forget to pay a visit to the local Louis Vuitton boutique. Today I wanted to share with you my little luxury shopping vlog and also a little Louis Vuitton unboxing. That's my very first Louis Vuitton purchase, and I hope you are excited for me as much as I'm excited to share this unboxing with you today. So let's start. I hope you enjoy those little shots from Edinburgh. Let's move on to unboxing part from Louis Vuitton. As I mentioned, that's my very first Louis Vuitton purchase, and as you can guess from the size, it's going to be SLG, small leather good. I hope to return to Louis Vuitton very soon because I enjoy my shopping experience with them. My sales assistant was amazing. She was very patient and very helpful. She explained a lot of things about Louis Vuitton, about the actual history of the fashion house. She was very attentive, and therefore, and because the Louis Vuitton goods are so good, I hope to be returning there soon. And as you can see from the little shots from Louis Vuitton, I was trying Alma BB and Monogram and a Damier Ben, and I love both of them. I've been eyeing for Alma BB for quite a while now, and hopefully very soon I will be able to add it on to my collection. As you know from my previous video, 5 perfect best mini bags, and if you haven't seen it, please check this out. I'm going to leave the link below in the description bar. Alma BB, one of the best, one of the top mini bags in my opinion. Okay, stop wasting any time, let's move on and do this unboxing really quickly. What we've got inside my little bag, such exciting orange color of the bag, I really like that. So we have a receipt from Louis Vuitton. As I've been told, they ran out of those fancy receipt envelopes packaging, so I've got it only like that. Then I've got a little California Dream. It's a new perfume from Louis Vuitton, and I tried that in the boutique and it smells amazing, and I'm really glad that I've got a little sample here as well. And voila, ta-da! A little pretty Louis Vuitton box, and I love how it's opening like that, guys. Is like, it gives me so much pleasure, you can't imagine that. I'm totally going to keep all that packaging, and I know it's a little bit sad, but it's so pretty. It's very pretty. I'm opening it right now, sliding it down. Oh, thank you. Up. And here we've got a little dust bag. So cute that even for a little tiny little SLG, I've got a dust bag. Ta-da! Here we go. Voila! Flat card holder, canvas, monogram. Beautiful. I really wanted to have some monogram piece to add in my collection, and I needed a flat card holder for quite a while now. You know from my previous videos that my card holder is quite bulky, and I tend to fill it in to the top until the point that it's so actually big that it is big as a little purse, so it's not the card holder anymore. So I actually needed something really small, really flat and tiny to just stop myself from overfilling my card holder, and I think this one is just perfect. It's a Louis Vuitton classic iconic monogram and a beautiful leather insert in the burgundy wine color. What I really like about this little piece, that it has a little pop of color, so I would be able easily to find that inside my bag. It's really flat, and I think I haven't tried it yet with my cards, but by the look of it, I can imagine I would be able to fit at least 6 or 7 cards, which stops me, as I said, from overfilling this card holder. And I also really like this monogram. It's a classic, iconic. I really wanted to have something iconic from Louis Vuitton. Inside the card holder, we have a little note from Louis Vuitton, coated fabric, and cowhide leather lining. And that's us. And that's it. Let me check on the receipt how much it was. It was £140. I'm going to leave here how much in dollars and euros, and also 5p for the carrier bag. In UK we have additional charge for the carrier bags, and it doesn't matter what kind of shop it is. It's usually to stop people from buying, you know, like taking the additional carry bag, and to think twice about the environment. And I really like this initiative, and I usually don't buy any carrier bags, but forgive me, I couldn't stop myself from having this prettiest little Louis Vuitton bag, my very first one. And that's it for today, guys. It's a really short, sweet unboxing today, and I hope you're going to see more of this flat card holder in my next review videos and what fits in my tiny little mini bags. I'm looking forward to you using this card holder more and more and showing this to yourself more and more. Thank you very much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell. And see you next time. Bye!